I10 GRAND petrol periodic service, call mechanic, headlight and taillight inspection, engine inspection, engine work start per, front brake cleaning, front caliper squeezing, oil filter replacement per, wiper fluid replacement per, cabin filter replacement per, battery water top-up, coolant replacement, bonnet and all door greasing, rear brake cleaning, full cleaning of throttle body, engine oil replacement per, air filter replacement per, battery terminal coating, engine deep cleaning per, car washing, car service completed. Subscribe, like, share, call mechanic.